Hello, my farm family. It's Kay. Have you ever had one of those times when you're talking to somebody and all of a sudden you have this like almost irrational desire to like scream at them and yell at them, maybe rip their head off, or you're facing a job that normally you can handle pretty easily and you feel like you can't get out of your own way, or you find that you can't stop moving. You just want to work, 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 work all the time. And there's this sense that this is just not normal, but you just keep doing it. Well, these are all signs that you might actually be focusing on something other than the person or the job that you think you're focusing on. I had that situation this week. I thought I was struggling with a thing with my business. I had the tense shoulders and the headache, and I could not problem solve. And I recognized that this was probably bigger than my business. So I pulled out my journal because I'm a journal to the self instructor and I've learned all these great techniques. And so I did some exercises and I realized it wasn't my business. It was my parents' farm that I was worried about because they're going through some transitions and I felt really uncomfortable about it. And once I recognized that I was kind of grieving what was going on for them, it was like a miracle. Pain in the shoulders, gone. Headache, gone. Brain fog, gone. So if you're in this situation, let me know. I've got some techniques I have that I promise can help you get some more clarity and help you to do the things you really want to be focused on. It's your time to grow.